Here I have got some data, and I want to know who are our top 5 customers. This is how we can do it. We can say sort by as we want the customer names based on the sales amount. Select the customer name column, comma, and then select the sales column. And then -1, as we want the values in descending order. This is going to just sort that and give all the customers in the descending order of sales, just like we have it here. As we don't want to see everybody, just the top 5. Once the sort has finished its job, I'm going to send this to take function, take the top 5 rows. Close the bracket and press enter. These are our top 5 customers. Based on the sales price, as we can see below, starting from $3,200 to $3,000 to $2,800 to $2,450 and then to $2,150. Those are the top 5 customers based on the amount. That's it.